ever wrangled with honey that just won't let go of the spoon? Or perhaps you've grappled with peanut butter that seemed to have formed an unbreakable bond with the knife? Well, there's a simple yet effective hack that can turn this sticky situation around. Enter the world of oil-based coatings. It's a simple concept, really. Coat the measuring spoons or cups, knives, or any other utensils with a thin layer of oil before diving into sticky ingredients. This thin layer creates a slippery barrier between the utensil and the ingredient, making it slide right off without leaving a sticky, stubborn residue behind. Think of it as a non-stick pan for your utensils. Not only does it make the cooking or baking process smoother, but it also ensures that the measurements stay accurate. After all, the ingredient that clings to the spoon is the ingredient that doesn't make it into the recipe. This trick works wonders with a wide variety of ingredients. Honey, molasses, maple syrup, peanut butter, shortening, even dough, they all meet their match in this simple yet ingenious hack. So next time the recipe calls for a cup of honey or a spoonful of peanut butter, remember to give the utensil a quick swipe with an oil-soaked paper towel. It'll save precious time, prevent potential mess, and leave no ingredient behind. The oil-based coating hack, a simple yet game-changing trick that says goodbye to sticky situations and hello to accurate measurements and a smoother cooking experience. Because in the world of cooking and baking, every drop, every dollop, every spoonful counts. And with this hack, every bit makes it to the dish, not the dishware. So here's to less wrestling with ingredients and more savoring of the flavors. Here's to easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable cooking and baking. And most importantly, here's to the joy of creating mouth-watering dishes with no sticky strings attached. Remember, a quick swipe of oil can make all the difference. It's the secret ingredient to a smoother, stick-free cooking experience. And that's the beauty of cooking hacks. They transform the mundane into the magical, turning ordinary cooks into culinary wizards. Embrace the magic, embrace the hack, and let the culinary adventure unfold.